Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we have completed with block 21. So, let's start with block 22, which is road transport. And please open your social content books, children, and turn to page number 136. Okay. So, when we prefer road transport, children, yes, when we are traveling for short distance, that means when you are going for a market or when you're going to your school or any of your neighborhood friends, we go by the road, isn't it, children? And also, if it is within the city but different place, different street or different colony, then also we prefer to go through the road transport, isn't it, children? Nowadays, people are going to longer distance also, but earlier it used to be the in the neighborhood, in the same area, okay, in the same city, we can say. Okay, children. And people travel for many reasons. Okay, if they go for longer distance also, for example, if it is shorter distance, you're going to school, you're going to a park, going to a market, okay, going to a grocery store, this is your short distance. But when you're going for longer distance, nowadays we can go on the roads, isn't it, children? On in the road transport only, we can use road transport only to go to the longer distance within the country, isn't it, children? So you're going to attend some family functions, yes, or sometimes people might be working in some other city, and you have their family will be in other city, then they will be traveling through the road transport, isn't it, children? Going back to your families, or you are attending any family functions, or you might be go on a vacation also if there is a holiday for long time. For example, next in summer vacation you might be going on a trip, so with that, that is the longer distance, isn't it, children? And for depending on the distance or depending on the purpose what we are going, why we are using the road transport, we have different vehicles, isn't it, children? If it is a shorter distance, you can go by a walk or you can go by a bicycle, but or a bike. Yes, if it is a longer distance, you prefer to go by a car, isn't it? It gives some comfort, so you prefer going by a car, isn't it? So depending on the distance, depending on the purpose, we select different vehicles, isn't it, children? And also a vehicle used in a certain region can will not be used in the other region. For example, if a vehicle is used in a desert, a vehicle which is used in the desert will not may not be used in the forest. So depending on the region also, vehicles change. Okay, there are many purposes to use the vehicle, isn't it, children? And if you see vehicles, some vehicles carry the things, okay, like truck carries the things, isn't it? And some vehicles carry the people, like bus, okay, they carry the people, isn't it? So based on that also, the vehicles change. Some vehicles carry both things and people, isn't it, children? So in that way, we have different vehicles that we use on the road transport. Okay, children. So in this, our first topic is from Kuccha roads to highways. So what do you mean by Kuccha roads? Kuccha roads are nothing but the mud roads, and in earlier times we only had these Kuccha roads. Okay, children. So these are very rough. If you see in the picture, you can see the roads are very rough, isn't it? And also they are narrow, isn't it, children? So these were the roads, and because as they were narrow, we used to use only the small vehicles. Big vehicles will not be, we were not using at that time. Okay, nowadays also we can see these mud roads in the villages, especially in the smaller villages we can see these Kuccha roads. Okay, and what is the problem with this Kuccha roads is it is made of mud, isn't it, children? So whenever we have rain, these have potholes. So potholes, can you see like holes where the water is filled with and the water got stuck there, isn't it, children? So that you can see when it is rains on the mud road. Okay, and with this it becomes very difficult for a vehicle to travel, to move, isn't it, children? So over a period of time, people started constructing, making the roads made of concrete and cement. Okay, the roads they started constructing with the help of cement or the concrete. Okay, so these roads, when we compare with the mud roads, these roads were smooth, and they were little broader. Okay, today, uh, most of the roads in our country are these roads only. Okay, children. And if you see the roads which connect the cities and towns, and even different states, which connects the different states, are called highways. So like this. Okay, they are smoother and broader when compared to kacha roads and also the cement roads. Okay, children. So these are the highways. And the biggest highways are called national highways. That means these roads will be connecting states of our country, different states of our country. Okay, those are called national highways. Okay, and with on this road, people can easily travel from one state to other, from one city to other city easily through their vehicles. As the road is smooth, they can use their vehicle, and they can move from one place to another, one city to other city, or one state to other state, very fast. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book also. And if you find any other difficult word, you can include in your keywords and learn them. Okay, coming to your question answers. Give two reasons why we travel short distance. Why do we travel short distance, to children? To go to market, to go to a park, to go to school. All these are short distance, isn't it, children? You can include any two reasons. And two reasons why we travel long distance. So long distance, you can go on a vacation, you can attend a family function, you might visit your grandparents. Yes. So all these, you can write any of these. Okay, children. Coming to your next question. How have highways helped our travel? So highways are smooth and broader, isn't it, children? They helped us to travel from one place to another faster, isn't it? As the roads are made of cement. Okay, and more vehicles can move with more people at once, isn't it, children? So in that way, highways are helped our travel. Okay, next. So write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 30, S1, from mud roads to highways. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn about types of road transport. What are the different vehicles we use in the road transport, and how people used to use animals for the transport. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.